Installation, you'll need a trim puller tool. Begin by using your trim tool to pry free the cover. You can see the different size clips holding it on. You need to pry free the cover on the side with the smaller clips. Pull the incandescent bulb from the socket and replace it with the LED bulb. Make sure the LED chips are facing down and test it. Turn it on for white and turn it off and on again to change the color. Replace the cover by putting in the large clips first and use your trim tool to gently guide the smaller clips up into place. You can see the huge difference between the LED and the original bulb. When we measured the light output with our light meter, we measured the LED at almost 5 times brighter than the incandescent bulb. A clear difference in white or blue.